Hey everyone, Eugene here. I'm with Tom Vadnais. He's a past presenter, and this year, one of the instructors on one of the short courses that we're going to be having. It's January 20th to 23rd, 2025. So Tom, first off, thanks so much for being an instructor this year. It's a big commitment. And I want to
thank you for asking me. That's great.
Well, you've been a dedicated FPS presenter in the past, so I appreciate that. Can you tell me about what your short course is on and kind of what you're going to be covering?
Yes, I'm mostly going to be talking about flash. And basically, it's where do you need light and how much light do you need? And it's a lot of people are afraid of it, especially multiple flashes, but it's actually quite simple. And I wanted to show a bunch of different applications for it, whether you're doing something close up, more macro type stuff, or something in the midground, like a product or something, or even out to a vehicle. So covering a pretty large range of things and using fill flash outside in the sun and all kinds of other topics. And then, but really the key is going to be just how easy it all is to do. It's nothing to fear.
Yeah, now there was a key point here, and that is that in your course, you're going to be working with two flashes. So people are going to need to have some hardware that they're going to have to pick up if they don't have two.
Yes, and actually in some cases I'll have more than two, but two flashes are really, really good. If you don't have two flashes, you can get a separate trigger that will trigger the flash off the camera, or in some cases, which they're even hard to find now, you can actually get the cord that takes the flash off the camera, because getting the flash off the camera is a key thing, especially bringing out textures and details.
Okay, well, I've seen some of the photos from past presentations, and it's pretty amazing what you can do, just so long as you can get the light in the right place, I guess.
Oh, so, exactly. And photography is all about light. That's all that photography is. So it's
for sure. And I want to remind people too, who are interested, there is a written test and there's also assignments. So Tom is going to be giving you some work to do, some homework, and that's going to be marked. And if you successfully complete the written test and the assignment, then you get a certificate, right, Tom?
Yes, that's right.
Okay. Well, look, thanks, Tom. We'll see you soon. And thanks, everybody. Hopefully we'll see you on the course.
Great. Thank you, Eugene.